This 13-year-old boy became the youngest player ever to be bought at an Indian Premier League auction. The Rajasthan Royals secured him for rupees 1 crore and 10 lakh after a bidding war with the Delhi Capitals.
1 crore is Delhi's bid. 110 for the Royals. Sold 1 crore 10. Thank you very much.
But this is not the only time he made waves.
ये सिर्फ मेरे लिए ही नहीं, पूरे बिहार के लिए गर्व की बात है.
Born on 27th March 2011 in Bihar's Samastipur, Vaibhav Suryavanshi developed an interest in cricket when he was 4 years old. His father, Sanjeev Suryavanshi, who also played cricket but could not make it big, nurtured his passion. He even sold his land to support the youngster's aspirations.
पर्सनल ट्रेनिंग लेने हर एक अल्टरनेट डे पे पटना आया करता था समस्तीपुर से. अर्ली मॉर्निंग 4 बजे वो लोग जगते थे, फिर तैयार होते थे. और चूंकि 100 किलोमीटर्स का डिस्टेंस है, उसको ट्रैवल करने में टाइम लगता है. यहाँ 7:30-8 तक वो रिपोर्ट करता था और फिर वहाँ से लेके 3-4 साढ़े 3 तक प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद वो निकलता था.
At the age of 12, Vaibhav made his first-class cricket debut representing Bihar in the Ranji Trophy tournament of 2023. With this, he surged ahead of cricketing icons like Sachin Tendulkar and Yuvraj Singh, who made their Ranji Trophy debut at 15. He continued to capture attention during the Youth Test series against Australia in Chennai, where he scored 104 runs off only 62 balls. He's also the youngest player at 13 years to score a century in youth cricket, surpassing the previous record held by Bangladesh's current captain, Najmul Hussain Shanto. In addition to this, he has a triple century to his name, having scored an unbeaten 332 runs in the Under-19 Randhir Verma tournament in Bihar.
तो शुरू से ही वो थोड़ा अलग दिखता था. जैसे आप उसका बैटिंग देखें, स्ट्रोक एग्जीक्यूशन देखें, स्किल सेट देखें, गेम सेंस देखें, लेवल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस जिस चीज़ से वो जैसे वो गेम को अप्रोच करता था, छोटा था तो भी वो ये बात को दर्शाता था कि ये आने वाले समय का बड़ा प्लेयर होगा.
However, his achievements were clouded by allegations of age falsification after an old interview of his resurfaced online. In April 2023, he told BNN News Benipatti that he would turn 14 on 27 September that year, which would put his current age at 15. Amid speculation of him falsifying his age, his father, Sanjeev Suryavanshi, said that they were open to an age verification test. When he was 8.5 years old, he first appeared for a BCCI bone test. He has already played India Under-19.
मुकाम पाने के लिए, मंजिल पाने के लिए कठिनाई तो होता ही है. तो सब कठिनाई को झेलते हुए, उसको मैनेज करते हुए वो बच्चा खूब मेहनत किया.
Vaibhav was called for a trial by the Rajasthan Royals as well as the Delhi Capitals. During the Rajasthan Royals trial, he was given a target of 17 runs in an over, but he smashed the first 3 balls for sixes, his father said. He left a strong impression on the scouts, and now, after securing a contract of over 1 crore, he is all set for his maiden IPL season.